What's up, everybody? It's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Hey everybody, this is Tioka with Vagabond Culture, and I am here with
Thelma,
Jewel,
Amber, and we are here with another snack crate video. So this time we're reviewing snacks from France. If you have not tuned in to the previous snack crate videos, make sure you do so. Turkey was the first one, and then Hawaii, and now France. Make sure that you check out the video when I took a trip to Paris. It's an amazing video. It was part of the 3-video series, 3 countries in 9 days. Each crate comes with a brochure, and it will have all of the snacks here. Some of them we will be reviewing today. And also it comes with stickers, so those are nice if you have any children. The packaging is really nice. It shows different words and phrases.
a lot of it's like cuisine, something with snacks. Yeah.
So Amber is a perfect example of someone who is not French, and she is not taking a French class, but she is utilizing the Duolingo app. As you can see here, I'm teaching myself Spanish and Swahili, but there's a long list of languages that you can learn for free. Download it now. So let's dig into this.
Saveur poulet rôti. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, but poulet is chicken.
bilingual.
Okay, so what's this? Chicken legs?
Yeah, basically. Maybe roasted chicken. I'm thinking.
Oh yeah, it has a little rotisserie chicken right there.
A lot of air in there.
There is a lot of air.
It's a lot of air. You know, chips these days aren't like they used to be. You open it up, you get 4 chips.
Mmm. It really tastes like roasted chicken.
It does taste like
Rotisserie chicken. Yeah.
it does.
And the flavor just, before I even bit the chip, like it just
Y'all
I
remember?
taste it too.
It's like Willy Wonka.
I was about to say that. You remember on Willy Wonka
That
where
was
the girl ate the
crazy.
gum? It was like it was a full course meal.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
It's tomato soup. It's hot and creamy. I can actually feel it running down my throat.
Stop,
It's delicious.
don't.
I never had no chip just take over my mouth before I even bit it.
Okay, friend.
Something just came over me.
It is. That was good.
I'm amazed at how much it tastes like chicken.
They really,
It even leaves that same
It does.
aftertaste.
I'm kind of excited about this though.
Haribo, Orangina.
I knew a girl named Orangina in high school.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Was it still like that?
I'm just playing.
You don't stop handing me. You don't stop handing me the stuff to open.
I just got these little hands. So you can't come right up.
Poor Thelma.
It's
My
okay.
hands are
In the arms of the angel.
Beautiful, the life for the big and the small.
Okay. You gotta go French. French Duolingo.
We
French.
Yeah.
Oh, this. Oh.
It's very hard.
This one tastes like an orange slice. You know what candy is?
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Was that grapefruit?
I don't think I like it.
I think it's grapefruit.
I like this.
I think I would like it if it wasn't grapefruit. Maybe if I had different
You
flavors.
don't like grapefruit?
Mm-mm.
You know what this would be good for? If you was doing like a science project, like the reproductive system, you could use this as like a sperm because it's in the shape
I
of it.
thought you were thinking of like a flask.
I did too. I think they look like a little drumstick.
Forever on me. That thing was good.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch this video to the end. Mikado Daim. So the carton does look like a pack of cigarettes.
We have some chocolate sticks. It has chocolate inside. Did you ever eat the ice cream cones that had the chocolate at the bottom?
It was too messy, and then you had to, it was just too much for me.
Talk about a waste of childhood.
Absolute waste.
Well, I mean,
Away your
I
whole
like-
childhood.
I like strawberry shortcakes, and then the sherbet, the Flintstone sherbet pops.
Wait,
I'll give you
okay.
that.
Hold
Those
on.
joints were
No,
good.
no, no. You just talked about it being too messy. And you
Yeah, them
picked
little
two of
Flintstones
the
joints.
messiest. The
Your whole
shortcake.
hand be covered.
That is true.
With orange shit.
It was worth it though.
Strawberry
It was
shortcake, all
worth
the-
it.
All the cake
It
fall
was,
off.
it was worth it.
Hey, them strawberry shortcakes, don't you?
Good as
Yeah.
heck. I love
I
it.
still eat them.
Yeah, they
Ain't
Good. They make me
This is
smile.
snacks you have from the kids.
Like,
What you doing in my deep freezer? I got my own freezer.
I used to like to get the was it the SpongeBob?
With the little gumballs in there?
eyes, yeah.
It was good.
Yes. You probably just ate
You
it.
can get
Then
the
you know it's
Powerpuff
good.
Girls.
Oh.
I got a strawberry
Oh, they
shortcake
had
every
Ninja
time
Turtle
I went.
ones.
Yeah.
SpongeBob was good. But
Ninja
I
Turtle was
really
good.
like eating the SpongeBob because SpongeBob's face never looked like SpongeBob.
Never looked
And
like
it was
never.
Really odd
It was
to
a
me.
yellow square.
Yeah.
It was just a yellow square.
She was disturbed.
It was odd. I was like, yo, I can't do this.
Some little fake airhead.
Laffy Taffy.
Or something.
Girl, shake that Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy. Girl, shake that Laffy Taffy.
It is a titty brew.
Oh,
Wait! Let me see it!
France is nasty. France is nasty.
I think it's tent.
tits brulee.
Because your tent, I believe, is your head.
Oh, so
Hot head.
it's like a,
That's maybe why Steve is coming from.
you think it's like a fireball? You remember like the little fireball?
Maybe.
Maybe, but it's like
Possibility.
a taffy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your hands are small.
Okay, so
So wouldn't that have like be more aggressive because my hands are small?
well, baby hands is okay. So
Baby hands.
baby
Yeah,
hands.
like this. Oh, your hands ain't little. We just playing. Yeah.
Whatever.
All right.
Getting new friends. This is my last snack crate video, guys. That strawberry flavor is good.
You shower.
It is sour.
Forever on jeans.
No, it's just weird because he has flames coming from his head. Sour is definitely
These
sour.
hot-headed, you're right.
Yeah.
Candies are coated with intense sour flavor,
Oh.
but reveal a sweet inside. Can you take the heat?
Everybody loves them.
In the arms of the angel.
Go a little octave lower.
Right. She can't walk it
Right here. You gotta break it down right here.
You gotta work your way up to that. Okay, it looks like somebody's name, Madeline of Love. Something about some butter.
With butter, so it's like a butter pastry, maybe? I think it's just like a butter cake.
Ain't nothing but a hush puppy. It's like cornbread. But sweet. Like a jiffy.
Okay.
Like a little corn
It is like a little pound cake.
I'm not sure if I'm a fan of it, but that's what it reminds me
I
of.
think I
I
like it.
like it. Reminds me of, you know, those little like butter shortbread cookies that
Mhm.
that be in the
Yes.
tin, but
Yes.
it's just soft.
Forever on jeans.
Dang.
That's a problem.
Nervous,
It might be actual cigarettes.
nervous and trembling.
Smoking cigarettes at
night. Newport, Winston, Salem,
Marble lights.
no other kind.
Joe was like, I don't know these.
I don't know the words. I'm letting y'all ride with it. Apparently, this is y'all shit. This is y'all shit.
This does not look good.
What is
it looks like it may be something like a cereal bar. The picture's not appetizing.
It's not.
Looks sad.
It does look sad.
It
It
might
looks
be bad.
dry. But it looks dry.
Oh, like a granola bar.
Yeah.
That joint about to be hidden. I got faith
I think
in
it's
Sunday.
going to be dry and sad.
Oh, Sunday.
Gotta work from you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Sunday.
Sorry. It broke. No, I'm good.
It's not terrible.
Wait a minute.
I think they put some cornflakes on top.
It's not terrible. It's not terrible.
I like it without the chocolate.
It's like a granola bar, a Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Rice Krispie treat. Mm-hmm.
It was just too much going
Too
on.
much. It's too much.
Sunday, you alright with me. I'm right.
Got this weird kind of effort.
Just taste dislikeness.
Oh.
Why?
That's a flavor?
Listen, why I said they put some cornflakes on the top, right? Remember I said that?
It is.
This unique treat is made with crunchy cornflakes formed into a bar and dipped in dark chocolate.
You got it. You did it.
I rock with you Sunday.
Sprinkle, couple. Right. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch this video to the end.
Is it?
Nuts from Nestle.
It looks like
A nut?
well.
Who wants to eat the first nut?
You should.
I will not be eating nuts.
It's like a Three Musketeers.
I don't like those.
I don't see why with the caramel is in there. I don't taste it at all.
Milk chocolate candy bar with a filling of caramel and hazelnuts.
I think I can taste that.
Carambar?
Yeah, I had to
Oh.
focus for that. Everybody took a deep breath, got quiet right quick.
It's hard.
How is it, Jewel?
Wait a minute.
Yoko.
Why is all of their candy sour?
Oh, it says atomic.
Atomic is sour for them, apparently.
Tastes like perfume.
It do taste like perfume. Some old candy. Somebody's purse with the little perfume.
That's
The
true.
marinade.
Mom, did some perfume spill in your purse on the candy? What is
Exactly what
this?
it tastes like. It's just been marinated.
Yeah. You want some candy? Let me see if I got some. She reaching all the way at the bottom.
Or she pull it out from
Put her
under.
hand. It's not good. I prefer to eat some darn Orangina.
Forever on Gina.
Petite écolier.
Okay, it looks like a saltine cracker
It does not.
with a Hershey's Kisses on top of it, like a bootleg s'more.
Did y'all know some more in these along with sisters?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah,
I did not know.
I heard it on TV at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like half sisters
Yeah,
or something
the
like
same
that.
dad.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
2019 communion wafer. Put some chocolate on it.
That's not bad.
It's not a bad cookie. It's not like a It's not memorable.
I would eat this over the nuts
For sure.
and the sundae. Oh, you just over the orangutans too.
All right.
Hold on now. You don't keep disrespecting Orangina like that. Don't you keep talking about her like that.
Nothing.
That's what it look like it's about to be
It's like
on.
milk chocolate.
Wait.
Hey, you've got it! You've got the last golden ticket! The kids found the last golden ticket!
You must slow that down.
Slow down. Never seen anything so lovely.
Some quality chocolate.
It's like the Godiva chocolate.
Genie.
Is that like a flame on the eye?
This is fun.
So
It is.
So
It's like a little match.
So is it sour? Because
Oh God, I hope not.
Y'all don't remember Stefan Hurricane?
I do.
Oh, I stay home every whenever they want to watch
Friday.
that.
No, I'm talking about like when he turned
Yeah,
into
TGIF.
So handsome.
Girl, Stefan gonna be on there this week.
Y'all remember the Urkel Robot?
Yeah, and then they had a Laura one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they was.
Oh, they did have the Laura
Family
Bob.
Matters. They went a little bit too far. They did a bit. They did a lot.
It was so
Family Matters,
entertaining.
they did do a lot. They made too many changes within the show. Like whatever happened to Judy.
She
went upstairs to the bedroom.
went to that boom boom room. Okay, it smelled like baking soda.
Salud.
I got baking soda. I got baking soda. Can you smell? What is it? Mellow yellow. That's what you taste? I taste terribleness. It's terrible.
It does taste like a soda I've had before, but I can't.
It doesn't taste like anything I've had before. It's really, Jules?
It might be mellow. It's like mellow yellow Mountain Dew.
Mellow yellow, y'all tripping.
Yeah, it is.
It leaves that bad taste in your mouth.
That don't taste like no mellow yellow I ever had.
Me either.
Y'all messing up the table, especially that wood. Juice flying everywhere. He over there speeding.
How did the bed end up like? I got shoes on my feet.
Here's my leg.
Where's my leg?
Before we conclude, I would love to get a shout out.
Shout out to Kiambi and Ian. I noticed a very dope shirt that she had on, and apparently it's her cousin. It's your cousin. It's her cousin's brand. It's called Higher Learning. It's very dope. And when she tells me, it's not just about school. It's about having a higher purpose in life. So shout out to Kiambi and Ian.
In the description area below, I'll be putting his information there. So definitely go and check it out.
Shout out to Thelma for graduating last weekend.
Yay.
We have a chemical engineer in the building.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Congratulations. You deserve it.
Yeah, graduated. Took 10 years off. Went back to school. Just never give up. You know, always go for your dreams, and it's all whatever your situation is now. You can always change it, and always learn more.
So don't forget, if you haven't already, check out my other snack crate videos. They are hilarious. We have bloopers. It's really a treat. Leave a comment below letting me know if you like sour snacks or chocolate snacks. See you guys on the next one.
Forever on Gina.
Get him out of here.
Okay. Hit it. Go Drew up there.
Pass it. I'm gonna pass it.
My robot broke. I don't have no robot. My robot don't work.
What country would you like to snack on? Hey everybody, welcome back.
Just let the vagabond come out.
Get it out. Go.
We have talent swim boo. We have talent swim boo. You gonna get it? You gonna get it, baby? No, Joe. Enough.
It's amazing.
Enough is enough. No more beef with you. I'm trying to.
Croissant.
Give me a salad. Put a burger on.
Yeah. And then ask for extra.
And the thing is, I don't even know if it's real lettuce. You know, they making lettuce these days. Have you seen the video?
I did.
Just love, got to do it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken?
Then the real Tina came out. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching my entire video and leaving a comment below. Please let me know if you have any travel or adventure video suggestions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you next time.